Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the latest Nvidia driver and GeForce experience installed, plus a monitor and cable that support the required bandwidth. Next, open GeForce experience and sign in so features are available. Once done, go to Settings and enable experimental features if prompted. Make sure Windows Game Mode is on, then set your GPU power mode to maximum performance. These initial actions ensure smooth motion, has the necessary driver support, bandwidth, and system priority to function correctly. You now enable the feature inside Nvidia Control Panel and Slash or GeForce Experience. Navigate to manage 3D settings and pick global or program settings depending on whether you want system-wide behavior. Then find smooth motion or frame generation and toggle it on. Select a moderate aggressiveness to start so artifacts are minimized. Once enabled, adjust frame rate targets and VSync to match your display's native refresh. Afterward, launch a test title at the monitor's native resolution. Watch for smoothness and any introduced ghosting. You finish by validating in real use. Play for 10 to 15 minutes and evaluate stutter, ghosting, and input feel. If you see visual artifacts, reduce the frame generation aggressiveness or switch smooth motion to program-specific so only supported titles use it. If problems persist, update or roll back your Nvidia driver, disable overlays, and test different cables or ports. One key troubleshooting tip: if input lag grows noticeably, turn off frame generation for that game. Frame smoothing can trade lower latency for fewer artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.